recently MinMax M3 model is released. It's a flagship model for frontier coding and agentic model with 1 million context window, and you can use it completely for free on opencode. Right now it's available to use for free. And if I just see you here, I am using MinMax M3 for free on opencode. If you have opencode installed, you can simply go to model sections, and then here you can see MinMax M3 is free. You can simply start writing MinMax M3 and you will see it's under open code gen. And if you select this, it's available to use for free. Okay, so before we just use it, let me discuss about the model. Here you can see it's actually for frontier coding and agentic tasks. It's actually for production grade engineering beyond code generation. It supports multi-model capabilities with 1 million context window. And here is the details page about MinMax M3. So here you can see MinMax is a very high performance benchmark. If you see it, if I just open it on a new tab, you can see it's almost similar results on benchmark on SWE Benchmark Pro. Actually, MinMax score 59.0. It's above the Gemini 3.1 Pro model and almost the same level as Opus 4.7 has. Here is the terminal bench 2.1, and here it's actually a score 66. And here is their other um, actually benchmark. You can see it. Okay, so here there is another feature. If you see, it's actually powered by MSA architecture, and this architecture is very efficient for long run coding and agentic tasks. If you have long video understanding, then it will work perfectly. Okay, there is another feature. It's actually natively multimodal model for the long horizon stability, and you can see the results for AP8 Gemma kernel optimization. Okay, so it's a scoring almost 83.5, and surprisingly Opus 4.7 is actually 79.3. Okay, that is actually demonstrating a strong autonomous browsing and information revealing. And here is some test case. You can see for paper reproduction of 12 hours autonomous ICLR paper production. You can see the results here. Here is the CUDA kernel optimization. It's actually 40 9.4x faster. And you can see the optimization here is actually post train benchmark M3 train models on its own, and you see how it's actually results. Okay, so I hope you will just read all of this documentation. This is actually not my task to explain everything here. I have limited time. So if you want to use MinMax M3, you can just simply click this try in MinMax code, and it will open this interface. Here you can use it completely for free. From this drop down, you see there is lots of option. You can have MinMax M3, MinMax M 2.7 and high speed. I will choose MinMax M3, and here you will have, if you want to work with actual documentation, you will have the options for the actual web building. You can see the some results from here. Okay, so minimalist cat kernel e-commerce websites. You see the website. This website is much smoother. You can see this is very clean and optimized website. Okay, so you can just buy it from here using add to cart. Then all of this stuff is very um, actually beautiful. I love this. And here you have other showcase. You can use that. And if you want to work with image generation, you have option spreadsheet. And under this more, if you work with the PowerPoint presentation, you will have if you want to work with research report, you will have video generation, education, scheduling tasks. And the more interesting thing is that it supports skills. Okay, you can see this is the vast library of skills you have. You can use any of these to maximize your performance. Okay, and then you can use it on your phone. You have Max Hermes and Max Claw options, and you can use it actually on your desktop. Okay, so I hope you can understand how this is working. So for the test purpose, let me try to build a website. For example, I will say something like this: create a landing page for a FIFA World Cup. I will say something like this: FIFA Football World Cup 2026. Okay, something like this. It's a very little prompt, and using this prompt, I will try to understand how these MinMax actually give me results. Okay. So it's actually created a index.html file, and here is the summary of what it did. And if I open it on preview mode, you can see here is something like this. It's created this type of website. Okay. Um, it's actually the countdown to start and all the starts of the teams, matches, host cities, and host nation. Here is the breakdown. You can see all of these venues, then all nations. There actually include some blog here and a pricing sections and a detailed footer. And I love it actually. It's a very elegant design landing page. And I hope this output is better. If you just give proper prompt, it will give you exact advanced output. Okay, and production grade output. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will try to reply it.